Today we're going to make a bouncing chicken paper craft. What you'll need is some colored paper, you'll need some scissors, some glue stick or tape, and you'll need some googly eyes. To get started, we will cut some long horizontal strips out of one of our sheets of paper. You need at least 8 strips for this craft. Glue the strips together by dabbing glue into the center of a strip and crisscrossing the papers. To start out, I made a plus sign or a T shape, and then I made an X. Glue the ends of the paper together until they are all joined. Repeat steps 2 and 3 to make a second sphere. Once both spheres are completed, you can glue them together. Simply dab a little bit of glue to the bottom of one sphere and then lightly press into the other. Now that the body's created, we can start making our chicken's face. First, pick out some eyes. Then glue each eye to an individual strip. To cut out a beak, fold some paper in half and then cut a triangle shape. Then glue the beak onto your chicken's face. You can add additional features such as a comb or a hat or some hair by folding paper in half again and cutting out a spiky shape. Then you can glue this to your chicken. When you're satisfied, you're finished!